Welcome back to Car Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something special. This is the all-new Volvo F16 Luxury Bus, 2025 model. A true masterpiece of engineering and comfort, designed to redefine long-distance travel. Stick with us as we take you through every detail, from design and features to performance and technology. Let's jump right in. At first glance, the Volvo F16 2025 looks nothing short of futuristic. Volvo has taken its signature design language and refined it even further. The front grille is now more aerodynamic, with a sleek mesh pattern that integrates seamlessly into the full LED headlamp setup. These headlights aren't just about aesthetics, they feature adaptive lighting technology, which adjusts based on road conditions and oncoming traffic, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. Moving along the side, you can see that this bus has been designed with both style and function in mind. The silver body enhances its premium look, while the large, tinted panoramic windows give passengers an unobstructed view of the outside world. The body itself is constructed using high-strength lightweight materials, improving fuel efficiency and reducing wind resistance. The streamlined profile isn't just for looks, it significantly improves aerodynamics, making highway cruising smoother and quieter. Now, let's talk about the wheels. The Volvo F16 is equipped with 22.5-inch alloy wheels, specially designed to provide maximum grip and durability. Paired with Volvo's advanced suspension system, this ensures that passengers experience a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. At the back, you'll notice the newly designed LED taillights, which not only look stylish but also improve visibility for vehicles behind. Volvo has also worked on the exhaust system to make it more environmentally friendly, reducing emissions and enhancing fuel efficiency. Alright, now let's step inside and see what makes this bus truly a luxury experience. Inside, the Volvo F16 2025 is nothing short of first-class travel. The cabin features ergonomic, fully reclining leather seats, offering exceptional comfort for long journeys. Each seat comes with adjustable armrests, leg support, and individual climate controls, allowing passengers to personalize their travel experience. One of the standout features of this interior is the dynamic LED lighting system. Designed to reduce passenger fatigue, it can change colors to create a calm and relaxing ambiance, perfect for long-distance journeys. For entertainment, every seat is equipped with a personal touchscreen display, offering on-demand movies, music, and even internet browsing. Volvo has also integrated noise-canceling technology, ensuring a quiet and peaceful ride even on busy highways. Now, let's talk about what makes this bus a dream for drivers as well. The cockpit of the Volvo F16 2025 is designed for maximum convenience and safety. The digital dashboard features a high-resolution touchscreen, providing real-time updates on speed, fuel efficiency, and road conditions. Volvo has also included an advanced AI-based driver assistance system, which includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance technology. The steering wheel is equipped with multi-functional buttons, allowing the driver to control infotainment, communication, and safety features without taking their hands off the wheel. Another incredible feature of this bus is the climate control system. Volvo has integrated a smart air filtration system, ensuring that passengers breathe clean and fresh air at all times. Plus, there's an automatic temperature adjustment feature that keeps the cabin at an optimal temperature, regardless of outside weather conditions. Storage is another area where Volvo has excelled. The overhead compartments are spacious yet compact, designed to fit carry-on luggage comfortably. There's also a dedicated luggage area at the rear of the bus, offering ample space for larger suitcases and travel bags. Now, let's talk performance. The Volvo F16 2025 is powered by a state-of-the-art, fuel-efficient diesel engine, delivering 700 horsepower and an impressive 3,200 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with Volvo's I-Shift automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear changes and optimal fuel consumption. In addition to performance, Volvo has made this bus more eco-friendly. It features a new generation exhaust system, reducing carbon emissions while maintaining power and efficiency. Volvo's commitment to sustainability is evident in every aspect of this vehicle. Safety is always a priority with Volvo, and the F16 2025 is no exception. It comes with an advanced braking system, electronic stability control, and a reinforced chassis that enhances passenger protection. There are also multiple airbags for both the driver and passengers, ensuring the highest level of safety in case of an accident. Driving this bus is an absolute pleasure. The high-tech suspension system absorbs road imperfections, providing a buttery smooth ride. Whether you're traveling through cities or cruising on highways, the Volvo F16 ensures a luxurious and comfortable journey. So, is the Volvo F16 2025 the ultimate luxury bus? In our opinion, absolutely. From its futuristic design and advanced technology to its unmatched comfort and safety features, this bus sets a new standard for long-distance travel. Volvo has once again proved why they are leaders in the industry. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more amazing automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Volvo F16. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting reviews.